Hi, this is the Animalist. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you. Persian fallow deer. The Persian fallow deer is a species of deer that is native to Iran and some parts of Iraq. Historically, the Persian fallow deer was widespread throughout the region, but its population declined rapidly due to hunting and habitat destruction. By the early 20th century, the species was considered extinct in the wild. However, a small population of Persian fallow deer was discovered in the 1950s in the Khuzestan province of Iran. Conservation efforts were initiated to protect this population, and today, the Persian fallow deer is listed as an endangered species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The current population of Persian fallow deer in Iran is estimated to be between 450 to 500 individuals, primarily found in protected areas such as the Koger National Park and the Golestan National Park. Conservation efforts have included habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and captive breeding programs. Despite these efforts, the Persian fallow deer still faces threats such as habitat loss, poaching, and competition for resources with livestock. Continued conservation efforts will be necessary to ensure the long-term survival of this iconic species in Iran. Plesko's ground jay, Pirouz pleskoe, is a species of bird that is endemic to Iran, specifically found in the Central Plateau region. It is a member of the Corvidae family, which includes crows, ravens, and magpies. Plesko's ground jay is a medium-sized bird, about 30 centimeters in length, with a distinctive black and white plumage and a long, pointed black bill. They are ground-dwelling birds, living in arid and semi-arid regions, particularly in rocky and mountainous areas. The species is listed as near threatened on the UCAN Red List due to habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as overgrazing and disturbance from human activities. Conservation efforts are being undertaken to protect their habitat and promote sustainable land use practices in the region. Golden eagle. The golden eagle, Aquila crusados, is a bird of prey found throughout the northern hemisphere, including in Iran. In fact, Iran is home to a significant population of golden eagles, and the species is considered a national symbol. Golden eagles in Iran are found in a variety of habitats, including mountains, deserts, and grasslands. They feed primarily on small mammals such as rabbits, hares, and rodents, but they will also take larger prey such as foxes and young deer. In Iran, golden eagles have traditionally been trained for falconry, a practice that dates back centuries. These trained eagles are highly prized for their hunting abilities and are used to hunt a variety of game, including hares, foxes, and even wolves. Unfortunately, golden eagles in Iran are also threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and other human activities. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the species and its habitat, including through the establishment of protected areas and the enforcement of laws to prohibit poaching and illegal hunting. Wild boar. Wild boars are a common species of wildlife in Iran, and they can be found throughout the country. In fact, wild boars are one of the most widespread and abundant large mammals in Iran. Wild boars in Iran are typically found in forested areas, as well as in scrubland, grassland, and agricultural areas. They are omnivores and feed on a variety of food sources, including roots, tubers, fruits, insects, and small animals. In some areas of Iran, wild boars are considered pests because they can cause damage to crops and property. However, they are also an important part of the ecosystem and provide important ecological services, such as seed dispersal and soil aeration. It is important to note that hunting of wild boars in Iran is regulated and requires a permit. Additionally, wild boars can be dangerous if cornered or threatened, so it is important for people to exercise caution when encountering them in the wild. In Iran, wild boars are considered a game animal and are hunted for sport and for their meat. However, they can also be a nuisance to farmers and can cause damage to crops. Wild boars are omnivorous animals, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet can vary depending on the season and availability of food, but typically includes plants. Wild boars eat a variety of plant matter, including grasses, roots, bulbs, fruits, and nuts. They are known to root around in the soil to find edible plants and will also eat fallen fruits and nuts. Insects. Wild boars will eat a variety of insects, such as beetles, termites, and grasshoppers. Small animals. Wild boars will also eat small animals such as rodents, lizards, snakes, and bird eggs. They have even been known to prey on young deer and other small mammals. Carrion. Wild boars will scavenge for carrion, which is the remains of dead animals. They have been known to eat the carcasses of other animals, including those that have been killed by predators. Overall, wild boars are opportunistic feeders and will eat whatever food is available to them. Other notable wildlife found in Iran includes the striped hyena, wild boar, brown bear, and various species of wildcat and bird of prey. However, many of these species are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and other human activities, and conservation efforts are needed to ensure their survival.